Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a look at this Andobil iPhone 15 Pro Max kickstand case. You've got this little card here that says you can activate a warranty from them. Then you've got this nice microfiber cloth. As you can see, it's a clear case, it's MagSafe compatible, and it says designed by Easy Relax, free your hands, because it has this kickstand. And you can basically rotate this kickstand around like so, and you can use it vertically, you can also use it horizontally. So if you're reading, if you're watching something, this is very nice. It snaps right back into place like so. The nice thing is this has this nice rubberized feel to it, so you don't have to worry about ever dropping your phone. A nice benefit of this is that you can also use this ring as a way to hold your phone while you're filming, and it'll help stabilize your videos a lot so you don't have to worry about shaky hands. So overall, I can highly recommend this case. It looks very nice. Thanks for watching.